Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create funny satirical AI videos using the Chatbot 3 Tads Talking Dirty AI. First, go to promptauto.io. Then, click on the Chatbot prompt section and purchase the chatbot called the Chatbot 3 Tads Talking Dirty AI. After completing your purchase, you will receive the Gemini chatbot link inside your purchased products section. Copy that link, paste it into a new browser tab, and you'll arrive at the chatbot interface like this. To start the chatbot, in the first step, upload your product image, add your product information, and include a command describing the environment or concept you want. Once everything is entered, click Send. The chatbot will immediately analyze your product, concept, and instructions, then generate a complete prompt package with multiple scenes. Each scene includes an image prompt and a video prompt. Next, copy the image prompt. Open Google Veo3 AI. Choose the image generation module. Set the aspect ratio to vertical 9:16. Select the number of images you want to generate. Then upload your reference image if needed. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes. Once all images are completed, copy the video prompt. Go back to Google Veo3. Choose the video generation module. Paste the matching video prompt for each scene. Upload the correct generated image for that scene. Select Start Frame Mode. Then click Generate Video. Once all short video clips are completed, the only thing left is editing and assembling everything together. I'll use CapCut to edit the final video, add voiceover, sound effects, and background music to make it more engaging. And in just a few simple steps, you'll have a unique viral-style AI video ready for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts.
Look at us! We're being drafted 4 times a day now. My tail is literally falling off, and Bob over there is fading out of existence. Our daily zinc reserves are entirely depleted. Every time he watches that specific website, our survival rate drops to absolute 0. It is basic biology.
Don't forget to follow for more AI chatbot workflows and automated video creation tools.